In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Office 365 with 1TB OneDrive storage. We'll do this directly from OneDrive on the web. Choose the plan that includes Microsoft 365 and 1 TB of storage, and complete checkout smoothly. This approach gives you the full Office apps plus plenty of space for documents, photos, and backups that sync across your devices. Open your browser and go to the OneDrive homepage. Be sure you're signed in to the Microsoft account you want to use because the subscription and storage will be tied to that account. A quick tip, if you manage multiple accounts, double check the profile icon so you don't activate it on the wrong one. On the OneDrive home screen, look for the upgrade options. You'll usually see buy storage in the lower left area near your storage meter, which shows how much space you're using. You may also see get more storage toward the upper right. Depending on your screen size or region, the wording can vary slightly, but either link takes you to the same place. Click the one you see to open the plan comparison page. On the plans page, scroll until you find the option that clearly includes 1 TB of OneDrive storage. That's the Microsoft 365 plan with the premium Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for desktop, web, and mobile. Verify the essentials. Look for 1T, sometimes shown as 1000 GB. Confirm whether it's for one person or a family group, and note if the price is monthly or annual. Also, take a moment to review what's included, such as advanced OneDrive sharing features and security benefits, so you're picking exactly what you need. When you're ready, select Buy Now on that 1 TB plan to start checkout. Click Next to confirm the plan details and continue. If you see region or currency information on this screen, make sure it matches your location to avoid billing issues. On the payment screen, choose your preferred option by selecting Choose a Payment Method. Available methods vary by region, but commonly include credit or debit cards and PayPal. Enter accurate billing details, ensure the name and address match your bank records, and review taxes and total cost. Check the subscription term and recurring billing settings so it renews or doesn't the way you want, then proceed to pay. You should receive a confirmation once payment is processed. After payment completes, your Microsoft 365 subscription activates on the account you used, and your OneDrive storage increased to 1 TB. You can then install the Office apps and start saving files to OneDrive right away, and that's all it takes to get Microsoft Office 365 with 1 TB of OneDrive storage.